I finally got a battery for the Astro van. They want $175 for a new battery. I think this one's $130 at Advanced Auto Parts. The guy used this battery in a van, in the back of the van. He never used it for to start the van. He used it to run lights and a fan. It's a 650 cold cranking amp battery. It's a 78 series. It's the one my Astro van takes. So I charged it for about 6 hours. It was on Facebook Marketplace for $25. I had to drive about 10 miles each way to get it, maybe more. But I got it for $25. I charged it for 6 hours. Took it to AutoZone to get it tested. It's a 650 cold cranking amp battery. It's putting out 100%. It's putting out 650. It's a 2021, 6/21. It'd be about 2 years old. It's a 78 series, the one that the Astro van takes. I think I got a really good deal for $25.